Welcome back after our short advert break. Let us now look at our second question. In question number 2, I've indicated here that a group of tourists, visited the Galadi Transfrontier Park. The layout plan of the Twee Rivieren camp is given alongside. Okay, so there we can see is the Twee Rivieren campsite. It says further on, this camp offers 2 types of accommodation, It's camping facilities, that's now for your tent, as well as cottages, as we can see on our map. Okay, so remember, always take some time to see what it's all about. Now in this case, here we see is the entrance gate. We can see there's the road here, there's a petrol station, reception, there's our shop. Then also here important is some activities that you'll find at this camping site. Okay, now let's move on to our first question. It says, use the map to answer the questions that follow. So number A says, identify on which side of the road, Which side of the road they will find the reception building after they entered the gate, So here it says entrance gate, okay? And now we need to find the reception building. Here we can see the reception building. Are we clear? So meaning they will enter here. Here's the gate. And we would like to know on which side of the road will they find the reception building. So if they move here all along, the reception building will then be on the left-hand side. We agree? So that will be on the left-hand side. Clear? Okay, question number B. It says, give the general direction of the store from cottage 25. Now let us quickly find cottage 25. Okay, so here we can see we start with 1, we move all along, and right here is cottage 25. Are we clear? And then we would like to know where is the store located. Okay, so therefore if you look, here is our store. So this is the store that we are referring to. Okay, so give the general direction of the store from, very important to note, it's from cottage 25. So if you look at this, we are moving from here to there. Are we clear? So again, as indicated here, north is facing upwards, so north will be here. So therefore, we will be moving on in a northeasterly direction. We agree? It's upwards and it's to our right hand side. Are we clear? So that makes it northeast. Okay, question number C. It says, name the activities at the campsite that involves a vehicle. Name the activities at the campsite that involves a vehicle. I've indicated to you here, they listed all the activities. It consists of your night drive, morning drive, day drive, and then also a guided walk. So we would like to know which of these activities involves a vehicle. So therefore we can clearly see it will be your night drive, and I'll list them. It will be my night drive, my morning drive, and you can list them in any particular order, Any order. Night drive, and then we can see there's also a day drive. Guess that's quite straightforward question. So you must be able to name them. Okay. Next question. It says, explain in detail the route a person should follow to walk from the picnic site to the swimming pool. Again, we have 2 landmarks that we are referring to, and we need to find them. So first one refers to the picnic site. We agree. Where's the picnic site? It's right here. So there's the picnic site, and now you like to walk from here to the swimming pool. Now let's see. Here is our swimming pool. Okay? So in this case, we would like to know the route. It never specified it must be the shortest route. No particular items was listed either. Okay, so therefore we'll move from here. Okay, so we can say from the picnic site, we agree we'll pass the petrol station. Remember, we are walking, as is indicated here. So you'll pass the petrol site, petrol station for that matter. Okay. Then I first going to quickly take you through the route that I think we should follow here. So from the picnic site, past the petrol station that will be on your right hand side, we agree. Then we'll go past or in between the reception building and cottage number 17. Can you see there? We'll then all the way Hawk, the ablution block will be on our left hand side, right? Then we'll cross the street and the swimming pool will be right there. Okay, so you must basically in detail explain the route one should follow from the picnic site to the swimming pool. So therefore, I'll start by noting the first point as indicated. So we'll walk right past. We'll walk past the petrol station. Okay. Right, then we'll walk between, that will be cottage 17 and the reception building. Are we still fine? Then you can even indicate you will walk between, continue between the ablution block. Can you see? It's important to indicate clearly where you are going to, the ablution block, and that will be the shop on your right hand side. Then you'll cross the road, and then the swimming pool will be right in front of you. Guys, I hope that's clear to all of you. In detail, I've explained the route a person should follow when he walks from the picnic site to the swimming pool. Okay. Our next question, it says, if each cottage of the cottages can accommodate 3 guests, so each referred to one can accommodate 3 guests, calculate the maximum number of guests that can be accommodated in all the cottages in the camp. Okay, remember, each referred to one, and one cottage can host basically 3 guests. So what is important here? I need to find out how many cottages do we have on this Tweerevieren campsite. Okay, so now if I look at this, I will see, as I've indicated earlier on, here we start with 1 and 2, we move all along, right? We can see here is 15, 16, then 17, 18, we continue. We also referred earlier to 25. Then here we continue with 26, 27, all the way up to cottage 31. Is that clear? So we can therefore say we have 31 cottages. We agree on that. And then each cottage can host 3 guests. So therefore I'll now type in 31 multiplied by 3. So therefore I'll have then an answer of 93 guests that can be accommodated here. So I first found out how many cottages. We established there are 31 of these cottages. We also know that each of these cottages can accommodate 3 guests. So therefore 31 multiplied by 3 equals 93 guests. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Hope to see you next time. Remember to work every day. Stay safe. Goodbye.